the action romance anime you must watch. So, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. And most importantly, we will be bringing more top 10s in the future. So be sure to subscribe and enable the notification that you never miss a video from us. So without further ado, let's start the list. Katanagatari. Katanagatari is the story of Yasuru Chichika, a swordsman who fights without a sword, and Togame, an ambitious young strategist who seeks to collect 12 legendary swords for the shogunate.
こういう時はそうしろって言われてきたからな。次は
何をしに来ただろ。
そうだ、何をしに来た。
この島に巨頭流六代目安井陸江殿がおると聞いたのだが、そなた知らぬか。
Shichika is the son of an exiled war hero and the seventh head of the Kyoto School of Fighting, who lives on the island of Fusho Island with his elder sister
こちら
Nanami.
こそ突然の来訪申し訳ない。
安井陸江の娘、七海と申します。父を訪ねて来られたということですが、父とはどういったゆかりがおありなんですか？
ゆかりと言えるほどの。
Togame seeks him out because his bare-handed fighting style means that he will not be corrupted by the power of the swords. Togame, who has been betrayed before, convinces Shichika to accompany her on a mission to locate the Raven Blades. They embark on a journey together across Eldora, Japan to collect the Raven Blades, all wielded by formidable opponents.
巨頭いうボタン。
きっと今の私は誰が何と言おうと世界一幸せな女の子だ。
World End. Hundreds of years ago, humanity was beset by otherworldly creatures only known as beasts and utterly wiped out. The last human, William, wakes up in a world where everyone he has ever known or cared about has been dead for centuries. With nothing to live for, he's done nothing but drift from place to place. But in his lonely wanderings, he discovers the identity of the greatest weapons ever made for the unending war against the beasts, fairies, destined to fight with everything they have, then die.
本当にお世話させてほしいだけなの。私たちトロールにはお客様を全力でもてなしたいって本能がある。まだ食べさせろとは言わないから、代わりに。
High school prodigies have it easy even in another world. 7 Japanese high school prodigies have taken the world by storm, exercising their mind-blowing abilities in everything from politics to entertainment. But when their plane crashed one day, these geniuses awakened to find themselves in a different realm, one that home to magic and beast folk.
Unbelievable. There's no way we could have survived this. Are we in another dimension?
While such strange new surroundings might throw an average person for a loop, these prodigies take the situation in stride and then some. With the greatest minds and talents known to Earth, this dream team is about to turn the other world on its head.
You bastard! You're just a leech who should be exterminated. If you value your life, get out of here.
Summer Wars. Kenji Koiso is a high school student with a crush on a Kendo club beauty, Natsuki Shinohara, and a knack for mathematics. His aptitude with numbers earns him a part-time working maintenance on the global virtual reality world, OZ. One day, right before summer vacation, Natsuki asks Kenji to do her a favor. Accompany her to her great grandmother's 19th birthday celebration deep in the Japanese countryside.
薄くったって軽くったっていいよ。
バイトしない？
今バイト中ですけど、
バイト？
オズのシステムの保守点検ですよ。
へえ、オズの。
As Kenji tries to find his footing among the big clans, he receives a mysterious email with a long code and the message "Solve me." Little does Ganji know what solving that code could lead to.
なんだこれ。
A transit vehicle waiting to take you to the front lines in 17 hours. We will provide any resources you may require.
There are 3 members I'd like in my unit.
Our last crusade or rise of a new world. For years, a seemingly endless war has raged between the technologically advanced Heavenly Empire and the country of powerful magic users known as Nebulis. In the present day, a master swordsman from the Empire named Iska and Ice Calamity Witch from Nebulis ruling family, Ashlis, meet on the battlefield.
Lady Alice! Wait, don't tell me you're the Ice Calamity.
Yes. That is what they call me.
Determined to kill each other, however, even as enemies, both harbor a secret desire to peacefully end the war between their two nations without further bloodsheds. Yona of the Dawn. In the kingdom of Koka, Princess Yona lives a sheltered but peaceful life with a pacifist father, King Tu. Surrounded by servants and protected by her bodyguard Hawk, Yona's only difficulties in life are her unruly red hair and trying to convince her father to let her marry her cousin, Suwai.
So unfair! Why does Swan always want to spend time with Hawk and never with me?
Now, those two haven't seen each other in a long time either.
But on the night of her 16th birthday, Yona suddenly loses everything she holds dear and is forced to leave the castle with no one left but Hawk to defend her. Yona realizes that she must become strong if she is to survive. She embarks on a quest to find allies and an ancient legend involving the Crimson Dragon King and his 4 dragon warriors, may be a key to reclaiming her kingdom. Axel World. No matter how much the time change, bullied kids aren't going anywhere. And fat junior high school student Haruki is one of them.
As long as we stay out of sight from the security cameras, no one can see a thing.
Yo, what's this crap? Why am I holding only one yakisoba bun?
It was all that was left. Come on! You can't even handle a simple errand?
Listen here, piggy.
One day, Haruki encounters Kuroyuki Hime, the most beautiful and elegant girl at school, who gives him a mysterious program called Brain Burst and the secret of the accelerated world.
That ridiculously high score? Want to accelerate? Want to take this even further, young man?
He may be at the bottom of the food chain at school, but Haruki and his destiny begins to accelerate with incredible speed in the virtual realm as he aims for the top.
Sorry, what's this for?
Nothing to be alarmed about, just plug it into your device.
What? But people only do this when they're like dating each other.
Aptitude for magic. But by night, he transforms into the notorious, announcing his next target to the police by way of a note. Kaito Kid uses every trick in the book to steal the loot of his dreams from under the nose of his rival, Inspector Nakamori.
いいか、カイト。いかなる時もポーカーフェイスを忘れるな。
ポーカーフェイス。
Is it wrong to try to pick up girls in a dungeon? The story follows the exploits of Bell Colonel, a 14-year-old solo adventurer under the goddess Estia. As the only member of Estia family, he works hard to make ends meet. He looks up to Ace Wallenstein, a famous and powerful sportswoman who once saved his life, and with whom he fell in love. He is unaware that several other girls, deities and mortals alike also develop affection towards him, most notably Esther herself. As he also gains allies and improves himself with each new challenge he faces. Twin Star Exorcists. Rokuro Mado is a young boy who used to be a powerful aspiring exorcist before a tragic incident left his friends dead and made him abandon the profession. One day, he has a fateful encounter with Benio Adashino, a girl around his age and a well-known exorcist from the East. According to prophecy, Rokuro and Benio are the twin star exorcists and are destined to marry and have a child known as the Miko, which will be the ultimate exorcist capable of cleaning all evil spirits from the world and ending the war that has lasted over a millennium.
You're all talk, but you can't back it up.
What are you talking
If you die, you won't ever get to eat Ohagi again.